2019 Super Rare Nautique G23 in red metal flake, mystic white front stripe and hull. Taking a look at the tower. This is actually actuated tower, and 2019 was the first year for the actuated towers. So that tower's in black. Taking a look at these docking lights up front. On that tower we got the Bimini with surf pockets, Nautique strapless board racks, awareness cam up top, black Chromax on the side, as well as those accent pieces look like vents on the back end. Down below under the water, Shadowcaster underwater lights in red. Look really nice compared to this boat. Spacious walkthrough on the transom, staple of Nautique's. Really sharp looking boat. Let's go ahead and jump on inside and take a look at the interior. All right, standing on the back of a 2019 G23. Looking at the back here, great looking platform. That sea deck here, very firm grab handle right there on the back, you know, when you're getting on and off platform. Good looking cooler here for your ropes, beverages, whatever's wet. You know, so we got the transom remote here by JL Audio, and nice looking Chromax here, black Chromax on the back. All right, so let's walk on in. Gradual step up and wonderfully wide walk through here, pretty standard on Nautiques. So colors in this boat, I might not get the specific Nautique colors right. It looks like an anthracite, a white, and then we've got some black piping, black seat boxing. Sharp looking boat. So as we make our way up, take a look in here. Storage on each side. Right now we got the full tower up, or yeah, over the tower cover in here. Now we also have another cover up front, but cavernous storage in the back. I won't show you the cover. Nautiques, we got our rope hangers, life jacket hangers, but really cavernous storage. Always lined with sea deck. We'll take a look here at the engine really quick. H6 in this boat, PCM H6. Let's say it's 6 liter, 450. Nice Nautique Chromax there. All right, so enough on the storage on the back. Take a look at this tower, the flight control tower in black with that accent here. I'd say it's mystic white or a shade of white. It has a little gray in it. Honestly, it's like a white with an accent of gray. Nautique strapless board racks. This is a actuated tower. That's probably a big thing to mention here. This is actuated, so all you gotta do is unlock the levers on the side, and as you see, we got some buttons down there to raise and lower the tower. But this has the JL Audio Studio Elite package, 4 tower speakers, got your wave front speakers, all that we'll get into later. But Bimini on here, we've got the trifold Bimini with the surf pockets, and of course the Nautique awareness camera up top. So let's make our way in. Nice step down, sea deck covering. While we're at it, we'll take a look at the interior layout. So really spacious in these G23s, plenty of audio in each cubby hole. So we'll start here with storage. Under each seat, hinge seating. Same here, hinge seating. All looks good. This has the onboard battery charger here. So just to see what it looks like, you'll plug the boat directly in there, have it trickle charge overnight or whatever you want. Close that down. We've got our wake view seating. Get a better look here. Wake view seating. Nice lean back bench here. If you don't need it, fold it down, send it forward. we go. Nice and easy. All right. Here we are. Look at this detail in here. That nice chrome accent here. Cup holders, JL Audio. Hand stitched grab handles. It's all about the details in this. Nice lean back on the starboard side. You also have your lean back here on the port side. So if you want to take it down, right here, twist it. There you go. Just the details. Nice stitching here. Seat deck on the sides. This is going to be your tower control here for your actuated tower. Hold this up and down. Just want to make sure it's unlocked. Just pull it out, twist it to unlock, and you're good. All right. Head over to the glove box real quick before we jump in the helm. A lot of space. A lot of space. We got the seat heat, passenger seat heat, and driver seat heat. Here's another head unit there for your stereo. Under here, I always like to show the storage because it's so deep, so big. Got some life jackets and the speaker covers there. Got your sub here, amps. Now let's have the sub underneath the driver's seat. All right, take a look at this Helm seat here. A lot of room in this seat. So you've got optional storage areas down below or right hip side. Throttle, helm command here. Really helps when it comes to maneuvering through the screen. So keyless ignition here on the Nautiques. Blower, bilge, lights, stop, horn. On the screen, we have the link pan array. So all your vitals up top. So engine temp, water temp, volts, all that. Link pan array can be controlled from, touching the screen or helm command. So you can do everything on the screen from helm command. So pretty neat there. It helps. You don't really have to take your hand too far away from the throttle. So GoPro, music, all that good stuff, ballast, courtesy lights, underwater lights, you got all the good stuff. So steering assist is also on this boat. It's integrated steering assist. So it helps a lot when it comes to these tight turns, or you're just picking a surfer up. So just quick whip around and go pick them up, no worries. So really nice option to have on this boat. And the cool thing is you can see where your rudder position is by your orange squares there. And it will turn blue when you go below 4 miles an hour, and your steering assist will kick in, or your thruster. So right here we got a nice storage cubby here, and vent knocked out there. Still gives the heat though. We got wave front speakers in this boat. Really helps complete that sound. It really makes it a surrounding sound per se. Cool thing on the windshield, you get little air vents. So if it's getting a little stale in the boat, pop your air vent open. Get a little fresh air. So nice big XL mirror on the boat. We'll make our way up to the bow. If I unlock it. We have window tint, 30% on here. Looking really sharp. Making our way up. Lots of room in this G23 bow. So real quick, we'll look at the storage. Fender Pros. It's a lifesaver to have on here. Got your cover here. Bow filler cushion. Cool thing about this bow filler cushion is you can flip it around, and you can either have comfort or you can protect your vinyl and keep it on the seat deck side. And you can do the same thing with your front. Covered seat deck on and off. No worries when you're getting on and off the boat. GPS there. And oh, look at this here. We got our pocket door, wind dam. Get it know. There we go. Pocket door. Close it off. No air is getting back there. All right, that is enough for the inside. Let's take a look at how it runs.
Colin didn't balance the boat. He's going to come back by here all sorts of crooked. Sometimes we use the ballast shift button on, where you just hit the button a few times, you start adding 50 pounds at a time, and it will help level the boat up. It's a really nice feature if you use it. There he goes. Looks like he's back on it. Beautiful looking G23. That metallic red. Really sharp. Give us a call, N3 Boatworks, 317-845-9253.